Have you ever pondered on how to safeguard your wealth in an affordable and safe manner? Picture a world where precious metals are not only within your reach, but their storage is secure and cost effective. Welcome to the reality of At Cost Metals memberships. Priced at a mere $179 or $299, our membership plans are tailored to meet your financial requirements. They provide an unparalleled opportunity to purchase precious metals at cost. This means you pay what it costs, no hidden fees. But there's more. Our members can also sell their stored precious metals whenever they wish. Alternatively, they can choose to have these precious metals shipped directly to them. It's as straightforward as it appears, indeed a golden opportunity for the insightful consumer. Here we view precious metals as a service, not a profit center. Our mission is to provide the best price, coupled with fast, reliable shipping or top-tier vaulting with real-time, round-the-clock reporting. It's your choice. We're so confident in our pricing that we display it up front on our website, inviting you to compare our costs with anyone. For instance, let's take the most commonly traded silver coin in the world, the Silver Eagle. At the time of creating this video, our price was $36.01. Compare that to the average, normal, typical prices of the exact same coin from other companies that are known for their pricing. It was $39.10, so you could expect to pay around 9% more elsewhere. Our selection of at-cost options is as diverse as it is vast. Some examples include silver eagles, silver maple leafs, an array of generic rounds from around the world, 10-ounce bars, gold eagles, gold buffaloes, gold bars, and even 100-ounce premium bars like Johnson Matthey and Engel Hard, just to name a few. Our selection is sure to meet, and perhaps even exceed your expectations. It is all the same metal you want now, just at much better prices. On top of our at-cost pricing of precious metals, we also offer at-cost shipping, and depending on the volume you purchase, shipping could be free. Once you have ordered your metal, you have the freedom to ship your physical metal immediately or securely store your metals in our unique DAP Vault, a digital and physical vault that offers 24/7 access. With our DAP Vault service, we elevate the purchasing of real physical gold and silver. Whether you want to purchase $1 worth of metal or $1 million worth, we've got you covered. Most importantly, we offer a high buyback price when you decide to sell. Our low spread, which is the difference between the price we sell to you and the price we buy back from you, speaks volumes about our commitment to you. We are partnered with the highest ranked and rated global vaulting companies, bringing together multinational entities with sterling records in security, safety, and service. This collaboration allows us to offer the most economical service to our customers. We offer strict inventory controls, real-time reporting available 24/7, expedient processing of shipments, and fully insured delivery. Here at Cost Metals, your safe purchase of precious metals is our top priority. So why wait? Join At Cost Metals today and start saving on your precious metals purchases. Find an At Cost Metals referral code to start saving significantly today.